What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, yesterday, I don't know what was going on with my audio, but it was a little bit echoey, so I think things have been fixed. Let me know in the comment section if the audio sounds a lot better than it did yesterday, but maybe you're not coming from yesterday's video. And the reason is because I'm not talking about XRP. I'm maybe talking about a broader list of coins. But I kind of want to mainly focus on the fact that I wish I had a lot more money to buy different cryptocurrencies, because I saw in a comment recently where it was like, Krill coin was a bad call, right? Having 10,000 Krill coin is not it. You're not able to gain a lot from it, and you're losing money right now, and it's just not going to run. I would like to tell people that patience is 100% key, especially when we understand that altcoin season has not happened yet. Is it going to happen? I believe so, but there's always this chance that it could not happen, right? It could, we could see a lot of things that can make it not happen. I believe it's going to, but you always got to be prepared for what the worst case scenario is. I'm not saying that I 100% need to sell this year or next year or the year after that. However, I would like to be able to take profit in many positions that I have. So, with that being said, in this video, I want to kind of go through some things that are in my portfolio and just talk about where we are right now overall with, cryptocurrency. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, if you do want to start trading cryptocurrency more short term, you can trade with BTCC. This is a platform that I've used for a little bit of time now. It's been about 6 months. You can get a 10% deposit bonus as well as extra bonuses up to $10,000 and 40% lower trading fees. And you can trade 500x leverage if you want to. Never recommend it, but you can do it if you feel as though you have a solid play, a play that you don't believe it will fall down, not even a bit, right? But you can check that out. Link is at the top of the description. It's a great platform. I've been using it for quite some time as of right now. But the purpose for this video is not to just go over BTCC. It's to go over cryptocurrency as a whole. And if we go in and look at where the market is right now, it's not at the best spot if we're comparing it to, yesterday, right? It currently is slightly up by 1%, 1.3%. We're currently seeing a $2.89 trillion market cap. Bitcoin's dominance has increased. It's still at about 61%. Bitcoin's at 88,000. Ethereum's at 2,100. XRP is down from where it was at the high point. It's currently up if we look at the last 24 hours, but we'll go through some things like that. But we're seeing a lot of movement here. We're seeing a lot of lower figures for prices. Even though it looks like it's green, we're seeing a lot of lower figures when you look at where it was versus where it is. We're looking at the last 24 hours just because of the 24-hour cutoff. It's gonna look like it's increasing here today. However, it's mainly like close to flat for a lot of things. Cardano looks pretty good there, but seeing where the high point was yesterday, which was $1 plus, obviously it's lower than that point. But the purpose of this video is about my positions, the positions that people may feel like I've gotten wrong, that I didn't do like research on, or I made a bad investment and all of that. And these are a lot of my positions here, right? I'm not going to show you every single position that's there, but if we look at my positions that are over here, whether we're talking about Solana, AVAX, BNB, and some of these, like a lot of the top ones are, useful positions, right? With strong use cases for the future, ETFs, and all of those things that you can get from those cryptocurrencies. However, there are some that may be a little bit outside the box that people were like, Why are you buying this? And one of those, right, we're going to go through the list. TRB was one of those. I bought at a level of 60 cents if I had to look at my entire cost basis. Sorry, $60. If I had to look at my entire cost basis, I have 120 TRB. It's currently sitting at $31. This has a potential chance to go to hundreds, if not thousands of dollars with a low overall supply, and even looking at the previous levels that it got to a high of $600. Krill coin. Krill got to a high of about $5, currently sitting at 34 cents. I bought at 42 cents, and I bought about 4,000 of it. So I have 10,000 Krill. And this is where this comment came from, is that Krill was a bad investment. I don't think it was, right? And I think this came from like my other channel, not my main channel. But it said that Krill was a bad investment. I don't think it is, and I'll tell you the reasons why as we go through this. Terra Luna Classic, currently sitting at 3,400. I took profit from that, but what I'm sitting on, people believe that that was a bad investment as well. Grok is down to $2,800 when I invested at 72, buying a million, giving me a buy-in price of $7,000. So I'm down a decent amount on that. Harvest Finance, Loopring is down. You can say Cosmos is down as well. Alchemix is also down a decent amount. API 3 is down a significant amount. And Book of Me, many others that I decided to buy are down quite a bit. So why am I making this video, right? I'm making this video just to show you when I was wrong. No, it's about what these positions mean for me and what this means for my future positions, my future selling points. Am I going to make profit from a lot of these plays? Will I make profit from Krill Coin? Will I make profit from API 3? Will I make profit from Alchemix or Loopring? And the answer is yes, I am going to, because a lot of people are in this mindset with anything. It's a what have you done for me lately type of thing. And seeing that what have you done for me lately, it's always that Krill Coin is not doing that now. Did I 100% expect that to happen now? I've always said in the altcoin season, we're going to see Krill Coin get back to previous levels. We're going to see it get up to a $5, $10 price point, which is not a significant market cap. And, I'll end up taking profit at those levels, taking my initial investment at those levels, being able to still sit on what's left there. Same thing goes for Grok. Same thing goes for Loopring. Same thing goes for Cosmos and Alchemix. Now, the one thing that I wish I had right now is more money to buy at lower levels. A position that I bought at a level of $2, API 3, is currently sitting at 64 cents. When I see these opportunities, these show me huge amounts of opportunities. When I see that they're at these prices, I look at it and see opportunities. Other people will see panic and they will sell that position immediately. And then they will claim that whoever decided to bring them onto it, or at least bring it into their brain, that they're wrong, that they lost money from it. And that's not the right answer, right? Patience is key, right? Yes, there's a situation where, and many situations where, if you are patient, or if you're too patient, you may lose out on it entirely, and then you end up selling at the bottom of the bear market. This is not that case, right? This is not that scenario. The positions that I'm invested into, most of them have a potential use case to them, have S-tier exchanges, have life once you see altcoin season. So I'm not panicking. I don't panic when I see Terra Luna Classic drop down. I don't panic when I see XRP drop down. I don't panic when I see Ethereum drop down. I don't panic when I see Bitcoin drop down. I'm definitely not going to panic when I see a lot of these get to $10 million market cap, $100 million market cap, when it has a potential chance to go to hundreds of millions of dollars worth of a market cap, or even billions of dollars worth of a market cap. So y'all can say whatever you want about those plays. I know what I'm doing with investing, especially when it comes to long-term plays. And I know that I'm going to be able to make out well on a lot of the ones that I have. I won't say every single one, because some of them are meme coins that have already tanked quite a bit. And I look at those and I go, all right, well, I still know that they can have life during the altcoin season, but are they going to have as much life as I believe they were going to have before all of these other things that happen, right? So when I look at something like a Harvest Finance, like a Krill coin, like an API3, an Alchemix, a Loop Ring, a Grok, a Terra Luna Classic, I look at those with the glass completely full. Not half full, I look at it completely full because I understand what the future is going to bring. And we're going to have a waiter that comes to the table and pours more water in that glass, right? So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I want to know what you guys think about your positions. Do you have any that are in this area, right, where they're down so much that it starts to worry you a little bit, and there's many people that are behind you when you search for it, and they say that's not a good play, get out of that play? Do you feel like it's the opposite, where it's not going to drop down or it's not going to stay at this level and it's going to increase to a massive level? I want to know what you guys think about the positions that you hold. And also, let me know what those positions are, because they might not be the same ones that I have. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.